In this video, I'll show you how to hide your last seen and your online status on WhatsApp. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. Open the WhatsApp app on your phone, then tap on Settings on the bottom right corner. This is a menu that you're gonna see for settings. You're gonna scroll down a little bit and then you're gonna tap on Privacy. Once you tap on Privacy, go ahead and tap on Last Seen and Online. Here you're gonna have two options. Here you can enable your last seen and your online status. And if you don't want anyone to see your online status, tap on Same as Last Seen on the bottom. And that's it. Remember that if you don't share your last seen and your online status, you won't be able to see your contacts' last seen and online status. Hope that helps.